Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Well, actually today I'm not in my craft room, I'm in my bedroom. And that is because I am doing a haul from my last 3 weekends when I went yard sailing for crafty goodies. I tracked all of the things that I spent during those 3 days and I totaled them all together. And over the 3 weekends of yard sailing, I spent $67 on crafts. Some of the items that I'm not going to be showing is I did buy a Cricut machine. It is one of the originals that takes the cartridges. I did purchase that, as well as a Project Life kit, and that was baby. I've already used it, sorted it, and put it into my baby supply, so you will not see that here. I don't know if I'll go through all of the prices as I show you the items. I did spend $67 on all of the items that I'm about to show you, and I actually made some money in one of these sales. So let's get started. I did buy a Cricut machine and with it came these 3 Cricut mats. These are great and they will fit in all of the machines that I currently have. These 12 by 12 laminating pouches. My machine is only like a 9.5 by 11, so I will be on the lookout for one of the bigger laminating machines, but I can easily cut this if I needed to, so you cannot beat that. These 2 bins, I'm on my floor of stamps. I will be going through these and figuring out what ones I may already have and decluttering the ones that I want to keep and don't want to keep. We have some religious ones. These are family, happy birthday, sentiments. We have some of the mini Christmas ones. This looks like from a card magazine. We have a bunch of the old style Studio Gs. They used to sell these in Michael's for $1. And we have some Valentine's Day, it looks like, and Christmas mixed in here. They used to sell these every season. They would come out with a new selection of stamps and they were like $1. This looks like it's from a card kit, more Christmas ones. Be happy. Alphas, a stamp block. This was their Halloween, fall. They used to come with little gems on top. We have some flowers. And this looks like a tag and sentiment set. And this big clear block here. Let's see what's in this one. We have a really large clear block here. This is a 4x6. We have the art impressions. I have a few of these. This is a ladybug flower. And we have these horses. This looks like it's from a card kit. It has some embossing folders on the side. This is a cute bunny one. I'm not sure if this is from a card kit or not, from a magazine one. I do know that I picked up both of these Tupperwares full of stamps. They were $2 for each box, so $4 for those. This princess beads. I will be putting these into my regular bead stash, just sorting it by colors. And there are just a few princess actual beads in there, which I will put in my Disney box. Found some Halloween goodies. We have some of these really cute picks. There are some ghosties, spiders, looks like a bat, and some pumpkins. There was 2 of those. Some pumpkin sequin. And some of these spooky hands. These are different than the ones that I picked up from there. I got all of this stuff for like $1. We have the gingerbread scatter. They are super cute. There was 2 of those. 2 of the mini wreaths. The Santa suit sticker. We have some Christmas felt Santas. The red berries. Mini Christmas trees. Snowflakes. Candy canes. And some wooden hearts. These flower pens. These are going to go great in my Happy Mails. 2 big rolls of tickets. And I think these were 50 cents each, maybe a quarter each. This large spool of heart trim. a pack of library cards. These were 50 cents. These items were for free. Someone gifted me a bag of glitter. Some of these really fun lined index cards. These zip popsicle bags, and this container of washi. These were from some neighbors that stopped by during a yard sale. There are 4 containers of these large alphabet beads. These containers are great, as well as I love how big these beads are. And there was 4 of those. There was a mini glue gun with glue sticks, a photo album, a whole sleeve of these large thank you stickers, which are perfect for my dewdrop business to stick on my outgoing packages. This next bag, the whole bag was, I think, $5. It had a bunch of Christmas labels. We have some plain labels, and then we have some plain place cards. A lot of these to and from Christmas labels. We have some of these large, great Christmas stickers. I know I will be able to share these in Happy Mail, as well as put some of them in my Christmas cards this upcoming season. Lots of those. These 2 sets of recipe cards. They've never been opened, and there is a really good amount in both of these. A whole bunch of stickers. So many goodies. Lots of different kinds, and also lots of duplicates, so I will be able to share some of these and use some of these. I will sort all of these and organize them when I am in my craft room. These foiled circles, which are great for envelope seals. I haven't even looked through this whole bag, but here are some mailing labels, some gift tags, more gift tags. We have a gift tag sticker book. More of those to and froms. Mailing labels, to and froms. I will go through all of this, and if it's stuff that I'm not going to use in my craft room, I will move it over into my personal Christmas box. We have more gift tags. We have some name tags, as well as a notepad. And that is it for that one. Like I said, this whole thing was $5, and I feel like I took some stuff out of here already. I don't remember what it was though. There was this big bag of fall. This was $1. I have not gone through this yet, so let's dig in and see what we've got. Some Target coffins, the paper coffins, some stickers. We have a couple of the wood pumpkins, some spiders. We have some Halloween tags. These are 3D bat decorations, the kind that you can put on your wall. There is an entire bag of those. Pumpkin patch and hocus pocus. These will be great for outgoing Happy Mails. Another package of coffins. Some thankful circles. Then we have some mini Halloween decorations. We have Happy Halloween, Raven's Claw Inn, and the Trick or Treat. Some Halloween ribbon, another bag of coffins, some more pumpkin and leaves, a scarecrow sticker, leaves. We have this cute sticker pack. These are some Halloween goodie bags, one of those tags. This looks like some balloons and ribbon. I will not be putting these in my craft room. Some wood pieces, and then we have a bunch of Project Life and cut aparts. These are super fun, cute and spooky. In the bottom of the bag, we have some stamps, some brooms, and a bunch of miscellaneous items that I will sort and organize once I'm in my craft room. I was able to pick up all of these unopened notebook papers, one that is open. I love notebooks of all kinds. This is a graph one. I use these all the time for different things with my dewdrop business. There was a whole stack of cardstock. This is great quality there. I did find these old golden books. These were 25 cents each. You can tell how old he is images because we have a puppy on the cover smoking a pipe, which would not be allowed nowadays. Let's see if I can find a date in this one. This one is from 1952. I love these old style books. And then we have the Sesame Street book. And this one looks like the date is ripped out of it, but you can tell how old it is just by the images. We have the My Little Golden Word book. This one is from 1968. These are great old golden books. I love them so much. This Happy Notes notebook, this one is undated. It's just plain papers inside. I usually use the large 8.5 by 11 size. I could not resist. I think this one was like 50 cents, so I did pick that up. This little coloring book, which I thought was so super cute. I thought I could put this in some of my outgoing Happy Mails this upcoming season. Let's slide that over. The next one is a vintage lot. Let me show you the things that I was able to pick up from there. This is a calendar from 1969. The person wrote out all of her appointments and her children's appointments. This is amazing. I love it so much. We have that one. And this one from 1965. Lots of notes. I really am going to have fun looking through all of these things in detail. This one is from 1966. Not only the handwritten part, but look at the detail in the prints. Such a great find. This was a set of cards and envelopes. I'm not sure which sale I picked these up from. These are the little shipping and FedEx boxes, as well as some mini beverages. I just like little stuff, and so does one of my kids. This Treasure Island book. This is a guest book. I was flipping through this. This couple started their guest book when they purchased their first home in 1957. Everyone that came to visit them wrote either a note or who they were, and it went from 1957 all the way up to 1995. I think this is such an amazing find. It's really an amazing piece of history. There was also a few of these autograph books that you used to do in high school. Well, I did mine in high school, and there are notes from friends and teachers. This one is dated from 1944. So fun. I can't wait to go in and read all of these notes. There were some old-fashioned postcards. I love these types of things. I plan to make a vintage junk journal, and these will definitely be making their way. There were several different kinds, and I feel very fortunate to be able to give some of these items a new life. And then we have some other miscellaneous cards and some old style cards as well. Here's another autograph book. This one is from 1934. It's just amazing to me. There was a date stamp, and this was from like the 1990s. It looks like the stamps are from. Inside of all of these vintage items was a sleeve of stamps that have never been used. There are so many different styles. Lots of the old style first class. This is from the 1983, it looks like, Olympics. I did total all of these up. There was $36.95 worth of stamps in this lot alone. I spent $67 and I pretty much got $37 back from these stamps. I also have a bag of miscellaneous items that were in some of the packages that I picked up. And that is my amazing 3-week-long yard sale haul. I love everything that I picked up. I will be sharing a lot of my items that I picked up duplicates of. I enjoy so much finding these great craft items and being able to take something that may have gone into the trash, like these old books, and giving them a second life in journals. I thank you guys so much for stopping by my craft room / my bedroom, where I'm temporarily using it to process the items that I purchased this yard sale season. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.